Hey there, I'm Margaret, your local neighborhood mortgage broker. Today, I want to talk to you about some common mistakes that I've seen borrowers make over the years. These are things I would never recommend as a loan officer. So listen up and let's try to avoid them. First things first, your credit report. It's like your financial report card, and it's crucial to keep an eye on it. I can't stress it enough. Checking your credit report regularly allows you to spot any errors or discrepancies that could affect your credit score. And trust me, lenders pay close attention to that score when evaluating your loan application. So make it a habit to review your credit report at least once a year and take the steps to correct any mistakes you find. You can pull this free. Just reach out and I'll let you know. And while we're on the topic of credit, let's talk about credit utilization. This is the percentage of available credit that you are actually using. Keeping your credit utilization ratio low is important for maintaining a healthy credit score. As a rule of thumb, try to keep it below 30%. So if you have a credit card with a $10,000 limit, try to keep your balance below $3,000. Going over that threshold can negatively impact your credit score and affect your loan eligibility. Now, let's talk about reading the fine print. I know it's not the most exciting thing to do, but it's absolutely essential. When you receive loan documents or really any financial agreement, don't just skim through them. Take the time to read and understand every single word. Pay attention to the interest rates, fees, penalties, and any other terms and conditions. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If something is not clear, remember, you're committing to a long-term financial obligation, so it's crucial to know what you're signing up for. Believe me, I've seen it happen too many times. Borrowers getting caught off guard by hidden fees and penalties because they really didn't read the fine print. So be diligent and make sure that you understand every detail of your loan agreement before signing on the dotted line. Another mistake is to avoid making significant financial changes once you've been pre-approved for a loan. I get it, you're super excited about buying that new car or taking that vacation, but hold off on any major financial moves until your loan is finalized. Lenders evaluate your financial situation at the time of pre-approval, and any changes can impact your loan eligibility. So resist the urge to make big purchases, open new credit cards, or change jobs until your loan is closed. Speaking of borrowing, let's talk about not biting off more than you can chew. It's important to borrow within your means and not take on more debt than you can comfortably afford to repay each month. Remember, your loan payments are just one part of your overall financial obligations, and you need to be able to manage them along with other expenses. Don't let the excitement of getting approved for a loan tempt you to borrow more than you can handle. I've seen borrowers extend themselves and struggle with debt because they borrowed more than they could comfortably afford. It's not worth the stress and financial strain. So be realistic about your budget and stick to borrowing an amount that you are truly comfortable with repaying each and every month. Remember, as a loan officer, my goal is to help you secure a loan that fits your financial situation and helps you achieve your goals without putting you at risk of financial hardship. So don't be afraid to ask for guidance and advice during the loan process. We're here to help. I would never recommend neglecting your credit report, not reading the fine print, making significant financial changes once pre-approved, or borrowing more than you can comfortably afford. These mistakes can have serious consequences and affect your loan eligibility as well as your financial well-being. So my advice to you is to be vigilant with your credit, read and understand all loan documents, avoid major financial changes, and borrow responsibly. If you have any questions or need guidance during the loan process, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help you make informed decisions and secure a loan that aligns with your financial goals. Remember, folks, a little knowledge and careful planning, you can avoid these common loan mistakes and set yourself up for success and having a great borrowing experience.